This is how to play ndibeke aphuthanda khona. But before I break it down to you guys, if you want to join our private lessons, make sure you send me a WhatsApp. Here's my WhatsApp number up there to get more details, okay? So without any waste of time, let's jump straight to it. So our song is quite easy. I'm gonna be showing you how to play this song using the key of G and also the key of C sharp, okay? So this is the key of G, right? This is the key of G. Our song starts on the first inversion, right? G major, first inversion, which is this chord, right? Please watch the chord closely. Pause the video and watch the chord closely. From this chord, it goes to C major, which is this chord. From C major, it goes to D major, which is this chord. From D major, it goes to D minor, second inversion, which is this chord. From D minor, second inversion, it goes to C major again, which is this one. From C major, it goes back to the first chord, which is G major, first inversion, okay, which is this one. Quite easy, right? This is where the song says, ndibeke aphuthanda khona, and then ndibeke aphuthanda khona. Right, so we're gonna introduce the left hand. So when you hit the first chord, which is G major first inversion, on the left you go to number 1, or you can call it the key of G, as you can see up there. It's the key of G. From the key of G you go to from 1, right? From 1, I'm gonna be using numbers. From 1 you're gonna go to 4. So from here you're gonna go to 4 when you hit C major on the right. You're gonna come here. From here you're gonna go to number 5 when you hit D major, right? So it's ndibeke aphuthanda khona, right? It's quite easy. From here you're gonna hit the key of E. Sorry, it's number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, number 6. Okay, it's number 6 when you hit D minor second inversion. In other words, you're gonna come here, meaning you're gonna come here, right? You're gonna come here, and then when you press the key of C major on the right, on the left, you're gonna go to the key of D, which is number 5. You're gonna come here, right? This is also known as C major over 5, right? C major over 5, and then back to G major first inversion. Right? This is how our song goes, right? It repeats the same thing over and over. Let's do it again. Ndibeke aphuthanda khona. Quite easy. Ndibeke aphuthanda, right? Thanda khona. Right? And then we're gonna move to the key of C sharp. Right, it's gonna start right here on the chord of C sharp major first inversion, which is this one, right? Remember, this is major, this is our major chord, right? This is our first inversion, C major first inversion. So it starts right here. From C major first inversion, it goes to F sharp major. From F sharp major, it goes to G sharp major, right? From G sharp major, it's gonna go to A minor, right? Second inversion. A sharp minor, sorry, A sharp minor second inversion. From here it's gonna go back to, right, F sharp major, and then it's gonna go back to our C sharp major first inversion, right? Ndibeke aphuthanda khona, ndibeke aphuthanda khona. Right? I hope it's clear. So on the left, when you hit the first chord, just like on the key of G, you're gonna go to number 1. Ndibeke. From here, you're gonna go to number 4. From number 4 to number 5, and then from number 5 number 6. From here you come here, This is F sharp major over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 5. Right? F sharp major over 5. From here you close it. Right?